Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to help you determine if MgOH2, that is magnesium hydroxide, is an acid, base or neutral when dissolved in water. To start with it, we first need to determine the type of compound this is. So here you can see that it consists of Mg, which is a metal, and OH group, which is a hydroxide group, and because there is a hydroxide group in this compound, it is a base. So although we get to know that this is a base, the next step is to determine if it is a weak base or a strong base, and you can easily do that by memorizing this table. This table can come really handy when you're appearing for those entrance exams. So if you check out the list of strong bases over here, you'll not find MgOH2. The reason is it is a weak base. It completely doesn't dissolve in water, and hence it is not considered as a strong base. And when this molecule is dissolved in water, it gives out ions, it gives out ions like Mg2 plus and 2OH minus. So these are the ions when it is dissolved or dissociated into water. However, it is not completely dissolved in water, and because of this property of MgOH2 or magnesium hydroxide, it is considered as a weak base. So I hope this video helps you to understand that. For more such videos on Lewis structure, molecular geometry, polarity of the molecules, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.